Yes.
My lord, I have to mention the orders matter, item 24 and 25. Here in this case, my lord, yesterday, since they filed one affidavit evening, my lord, it is not in record, my lord, reply, my lord. Reason that they filed yesterday, both cases, my lord. This university case, my lord, and yesterday we filed two IA, my lord. Two IA for modification of the earlier order, my lord, passed by your lordship, my lord.
What was filed yesterday? Rejoinder or IA?
Well, Lord, we filed rejoinders and
He filed IA.
he filed two IAs seeking a modification of an interim order passed by your lordship.
Yes.
But I have some objection. If he wants to some accommodation here, it can be done at 2, my lord. But he is seeking for time on the ground that the IA is not on the list. Well, my objection is that, my lord, your lordship passed an order of status quo which explicitly they have violated.
No, my
Now, in the garb, yes,
No, no,
whether
no,
or
no,
not violated, my lord, in the rejoinder we have highlighted that.
Yes.
Now, in the garb of the IA, my lord, they want to camouflage that.
No, my lord, it is.
Previously, your lordship had passed the order that on the returnable date, endeavor will be made to
We'll do one thing.
dispose of.
Let the matter be called. We'll come.
My lord,
Yes,
my
let the matter be called, my lord.
As and when it's listed, called up, then we'll see. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
That it is not in record. Their file is not in record.
And,
Yeah,
my lord, we are placing the requisition, my lord, it will come.
May I please, your lordship, my lord?
Yes.
With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 6 of the daily list, lordship. Lordship, arguing counsel, Mr. HK Das has some personal difficulty today, lordship. Lordship, matter may come up after Bihu vacation, lordship. Subject to
HK Das.
lordship.
HK Das.
Lordship.
For
I'm on behalf of HK Das, lordship. I'm N.K. Sharma, lordship.
No, he appears for whom? HK
Lordship,
Das.
petitioner, lordship.
HK Das for petitioner.
Petitioner, lordship.
Cost list says for respondent number 1 to 30.
No, lordship, it's wrongly shown as respondent number. We are for the petitioner, lordship.
How much time?
Lordship,
How much time?
after Bihu vacation, lordship.
On the prayer made on behalf of Mr. HK Das, learned counsel for the petitioners, and not objected to by the other side. This is the matter again after the ensuing leave vacation.
Deeply obliged, lordship.
One more line. There are two HK Das. You have seen the cost list?
Yes, lordship, in petitioner side also, in respondent side also, lordship.
Ah,
So wrongly shown as respondent side.
Okay, there's only one HK Das,
Yes,
isn't
yes,
it? There's no two HK
No.
Das. Name of Mr. HK Das reflected as respondent number 1 to 13
Maybe
in the cost list. We deleted. Yes.
deeply obliged.
Then you have a motion, my lord. It is filed on 22nd of December, but not listed till date. I have said there is no defect in it. So my prayer, it may be come tomorrow, my lord. The urgency is there.
What urgency is there?
Earlier regarding my lord, allotment of dice code, earlier my lord, I was suffering from some illness headmaster, so that dice code is not now allowed.
Okay,
So but tomorrow, my lord.
okay.
Must.
May I please, Your Lordship? With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 11, my lord. Engaged senior counsel is out of station, so matter may come after 2 weeks.
Petitioner
I am for the petitioner.
as paid for by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Matter stands adjourned. We will list it again after the ensuing leave vacation.
Much.
My lord, also, I will do 27 also. I have on behalf of PJ Fukon also. These are keeping well, so.
Have you informed the other side?
Yes,
I'm a petitioner.
Any objection?
Petitioner. Or only request is that a date may kindly be fixed, lordship.
Mr. PJ Pukan, learned standing counsel, Guwahati University, said to be indisposed on a prayer made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side. List this matter again on. We have to.
Right.
As
May I
per-
please,
Your lordship.
Similar thing case at now 28 also. Similar pair, 28.
28. You are for
PJ Fukon. You can look upon
similar order.
That means fix also.
12-2, similar order.
So 29th of this month.
12-2. Not before that.
12th.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention one WPC to 3405 of 2018, Your Lordship. Kindly it may be listed after Bihu, Your Lordship.
Where is that case?
It's
Not
last
listed.
listed on 24th, 11,
You
12.
approach the registry for that.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
With the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 17, my lord.
17.
Kindly adjourn the matter and pick, and it may be come after 2 weeks, my lord.
Why?
My lord, we have to file our affidavit, my lord. So,
Who's appearing for the other side? Any objection? Mr. U. Sharma, learned Standing Council. Has secondary education
department.
submits that he needs some more time to file the counter affidavit. And place for 2 weeks' time. India Papa, list this matter again after the ensuing revocation. Right.
May I please Lordship, praying for listing for motion matter tomorrow, Lordship. Urgency is that Lordship petitioner is under suspension from more than last 7 months.
All right.
Of the Lordship.
Lordship, regarding item number 28. Requesting for adjournment. So
28 already mentioned.
27, Lordship.
27 also already mentioned.
May I please Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of rate petition of filing number 56/26, my lord.
For listing, you go to the registry, please. Okay, please call.
May I please, your lordship, my lord, item number 1, 2, 3, all three petitioners are same, my lord, 1, 2, and 3, my lord. Here in this case, my lord, petitioners are aggrieved by the effect of their promotion, my lord. My lord, at this stage, notice may be issued, my lord.
No, please tell me what is the case about?
Oh, my lord,
You think automatic stay will come like a ATM machine?
my lord, petitioners are assistant professor, my lord. And they were promoted to the post of associate professors, my lord. And as per OM, my lord, your lordship will find, my lord. Page annexure 19, annexure 3, page 19, my lord. Which is the guideline for promotion of the assistant professor, my lord. And there are some provision, my lord. After fulfilling the provision, my lord, a person is eligible, become eligible. In this case, my lord, petitioners, my lord,
What are the petitioners?
petitioner are assistant professor selection grade, my lord.
Okay.
And next promotion is associate professor, my lord. They
So
became,
they're aspirants to be promoted to the post of associate
associate
professor.
professor, my lord. And they became eligible, my lord. Your lordship will find page, my lord, 31, my lord.
What is the criteria?
Criteria, my lord, they have to fulfill some assessment, etc., my lord. And after full, they have to apply before the screening committee for their promotion. They applied, and accordingly, my lord, annexure 5, page 31, my lord.
Yes.
Your lordship will find last column, date of eligibility for placement in associate professor.
Who is
Effect-
this? Who is this person?
Vidyut Jyoti, my lord, petitioner, item number 1, my lord.
This is the petitioner.
Petitioner, my lord.
We are dealing with item number 1 only.
Yes,
now,
my lord.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't mix up here and there.
No, I only-
Item 1.
item 1, my lord.
So he became eligible.
With effect from 19/5/2019, my lord. Then, my lord, now, my lord, government has issued a notification, my lord. And by issuing the notification, my lord, all the promotion to the post of associate professor has become made common, my lord. That cannot be, my lord. Your
Yes.
lordship will, with
Been
effect,
made common. What do you mean?
effect of promotion made common, my lord. For all this, they clapped up all the professor, my lord. And
By which document?
yes, my lord, page 32, my lord.
Yes.
Your lordship will find clause 3, promotion will be made effective from 1/4/2024, my lord.
Only.
Yes, my lord. That notification has been challenged, my lord.
So according to you,
Yes, my,
although you are eligible to be promoted on 19/5/2019,
yes, my lord.
by this notification, your eligibility will come only from 1/4/2020.
Yes, my lord.
What is the reason? According to you? What could be the reason?
My lord. And earlier also, my lord, whenever an associate professor or assistant professor became eligible, their promotion were made effective from the date of eligibility, my lord.
Please
Now-
read the review notice.
Yes, my lord.
Please read pursuant to the decision.
Pursuant to the decision of the honorable cabinet meeting held on auto communicated by letter so and so, so and so, so and so, the proposal for CS promotion. CS means career advancement scheme, my lord. CS promotion of candidate as per provision of government OM dated so and so are recommended subject to the following conditions. The candidates who fulfill eligible criteria prior to 8 November 2023 will only be considered for promotion. The promotion will be given effect only as and when IPR and MPR are submitted by the candidates. Promotion will be made effective from 1/4/2024, my lord. My lord, petitioner, after fulfilling all the criteria, my lord, they applied, my lord. And the screening committee individually, my lord, recommended their promotion from the date of their eligibility, my lord. And by issuing this notification, my lord, now, my lord, what happened? Suppose, my lord, petitioner became eligible in the year 2019, my lord. Another person became eligible in the year 2023. But benefit, both the persons getting same benefit, my lord, by this notification, my lord.
What is IPR and MPR?
IPR, my lord, is some.
So anyway, you're challenging this Annexure 6.
Yes, my lord.
Will issue notice? Heard, mister? For the petitioner who submits that the petitioner is working in the post of assistant professor in the Department of Commerce. Where are you working?
My lord, petitioner petition number one, working in,
In BH College,
yes, BS.
Howley. And as per his service particulars, he is eligible to be placed in the scale of associate professor, bracket stage Roman 4, with effect from 19/5/2019. So while such being the position, the respondent authorities have come up with a notice dated 29/1/2024, bracket Annexure 6, by which promotion to the grade of associate professor would be made effective only from 1/4/2024. Have you filed any representation?
My lord, initially representation, my lord, initially representation was filed, my lord, though it is not annexed, my lord. An uproar took place and in the entire state, my lord, when this notification was issued, my lord. Throughout the state, my lord.
Lordship, if he agree, first he can approach the authority laws.
My lord, then also
As per the- as per
after
the law
filing
laid
of,
down by the Honorable Apex Court, this petition is not maintainable at this stage. As because he's agreed, he can approach the authority.
my lord, after filing of the representation, second notification was issued, my lord, page 32, my lord.
Otherwise, the 32 notification, everything is covered also.
Page 33, your lordship will find, my lord. Another notification was.
You may be eligible in the year 2019. But what guarantees there is there that you should be promoted from this date?
No, my lord, he was,
Leaving aside this notice,
he was recommended, my lord. Your lordship will find, it's recommended by the screening committee, my lord.
where
Page 31, my lord.
this is a recommendation.
Yes, my lord.
What is the date of recommendation?
My lord, date of recommendation 23/11/2020, my lord.
And you're coming in 26.
No, my lord. Actually, what happened, my lord, whenever a promotion is made, my lord, recommendation is given, but a promotion was made with retrospective effect in earlier occasion also, my lord. Your lordship will find only one more annexure, my lord.
No, what I'm saying is that you have been recommended in November 2020.
Your lordship, page 30, my lord. Page 30. Serial number 80, my lord.
Yes.
Petitioner Vidyut Jyoti Bhattacharya, my lord. Date of joining 2005, my lord. Date of last promotion from stage 1 to stage 2, my lord. 19/5/2011. And date or due date for CS promotion from stage 2 to stage 3, 19/5/2016, my lord. This promotion order is issued later, my lord, with retrospective effect, my lord.
Maybe.
Page 29, my lord, this is the notification, my lord. 2020 promotion was, approval was given with retrospective effect, my lord. This time, my lord, they have issued this notification, my lord.
Where is the retrospective effect?
My lord, 19/5/2016, my lord. Order was passed in 2020, my lord.
Nineteen five 2016.
2016. Initially,
This is not a regular promotion, is it? This is a career advancement scheme.
yes, my lord.
It's like MSCPS.
My lord, where there are some criteria under as per OM, my lord. Whenever the person fulfill the criteria, my lord, he is recommended for promotion, my lord. And though the promotion is approved subsequently, but it is effect is given, retrospective effect
My
is
lord,
given.
may
my-
issue notice as this stage, otherwise, as per the latest judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court Amal Satpathy, that particular page 29 cannot be sustained also. Although it was given after the delivery of the judgment of the Honorable Apex Court Amal Satpathy, from the date of recommendation, it cannot be treated. From when it was effective, the promotion, that date will be counted also. When recommendation is done, there cannot be a retrospective promotion as per the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in the Amal Satpathy's case also. Lordship may issue notice, we will clarify everything, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, if he can approach the authority first before approaching the Honorable Court under 226 application, Lordship.
Page 31 is the recommendation,
Yes, my lord.
which is made, when was it made? 23/11/2020. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
So 21, nothing happened, 22, nothing happened, 23, nothing happened. 24 also, nothing happened.
No, my lord.
You kept quiet.
Recommend, but as usually, my lord, after recommendation, 2-3 years approval is given with retrospective effect, my lord. In all
Where
earlier,
is that retrospective effect? I've not seen any retrospective effect. Where is it?
my lord, in this case, it is
Where
not.
is your promotion with retrospective effect? You have shown me annexure 4, page 29.
Yes, my lord.
Where does it say retrospective effect from 2016? Does it say that? Can you point out in page 20? You have shown me page 30. Due date for promotion is 2016.
Yes, my lord.
Actual promotion happened in 2020.
With effect from?
Where is that with effect from? It is not there.
In that particular page 20, Lordship, recommendation was on 12 and 13 May 2020. Order was issued, Lordship, 5 June 2026, 20, Lordship. Immediately after one.
My
month,
lord, it is itself in this a recommendation letter, my lord, page
Mhm.
30, my lord,
What?
page 31, my lord. Date of placement in senior scale, assistant professor 2, 9/5/2011. Bide memo number so and so, dated 5/6/2020. Next, your lord, date of placement in selection grade scale, 19/5/2000, bide memo number DHC so and so, dated 5/6/2020, my lord. By same order, his 2 promotion has been approved with retrospective effect, my lord.
But this, the next page 31 is not correct. It's wrong. Isn't it? Page 31. Wide memo number so and so dated 5/6/2020, it says.
Yes, my lord.
Correct. So this particular document is at page 29. Where in page 29 does it says that you are retrospective appointed from 2016? It doesn't say so. Okay. Come to page 29.
Yes.
Last sentence of the first paragraph. Perhaps this is the one. With effect from the date as mentioned against their names. So next page is what?
This is the
The names.
names, my lord.
Name is at page 80. I mean, serial number 80.
Yes, my lord.
So due date, it says 16. So according to you, this is the date.
This is the date. my lord.
Next para, in view of above issue notice on motion returnable by 4 weeks. K. Gogoi, London Standing Council,
1 and 3, Lordship.
Higher Education accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1 and 2. And Miss
on each of Lordship, UCC.
K. Borbujari, London Council accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 2. Notice is complete.
With respect to reasonable, Lordship, 4,
Oh, there are some more.
4 and 5, Lordship.
Notice is not complete. That's cancelled.
Please have to go, Lordship.
Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respondent numbers 4 and 5 by speed post within 3 days. List again after 4 weeks.
Item 2,
This is also assistant professor.
Yes, my lord.
Which college?
My lord, same college,
Same college.
same college. my lord.
And what you have challenged is also same.
Same, my lord. Everything same, my lord. In this case, petitioner became eligible, my lord,
On which date?
with effect from 19/10/2019. Page 32, my lord.
Only one difference is this. Same order, huh? Eligibility, date of eligibility is 19/10/2016. What was the date in the earlier one? 19/5. This is 19/10.
item 3.
In this case, what is the
Same, my lord.
Eligibility,
College also, my lord.
Same.
Same, my lord.
date of eligibility,
Date of eligibility, my lord, page 31, 9/5/2019.
9/5. Nine five 2019 eligibility. Notice is at page 34. Okay.
Public.
Okay.
For orders, item 20.
But in this case, one appeal preferred by the state fixed on 28/1/2026, my lord. Appeal has been preferred by the state now, that is.
Number? Number
Number 270/24, man,
two,
270 of 2024.
Mr. D.P. Bora,
Well,
learned counsel for the respondent submits that the state has preferred an appeal against the judgment of the single judge. That is writ appeal number
270 of 2024,
270 of
Yeah.
2024.
man,
And the same is due to be listed on
28/1/2026.
28/1/2026. Stop India for this matter. In February sometime. 4th February.
Obliged.
21.
May it please your lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 7. And also I filed the affidavit also.
Good. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Your good name?
M.A. Uja.
Miss M.A. Ujan, learned counsel appears for respondent number 7 and submits that respondent number 7 has already filed counter affidavit. Since the petitioner is not represented today, this matter. On 6th of February.
22.
Or should kindly peruse the last order of this honorable.
Well, here, my lord, I was supposed to file affidavit, but on 12/1, my lord, there is the SLC, my lord. Petitioner's name will be placed on that SLC, my lord. So I want some time to file a detailed affidavit, my lord.
We'll wait for some time.
Whether it can be a case of placing before the SLC, because the issue what they have raised, lordship, that has already been decided.
What is
by
the direction?
Respondent number 1. They are saying that there is no title of the land of the school. But that issue, lordship, has elaborately, lordship, discussed in the order of the respondent number 1, government. That was passed in terms of the earlier round of litigation.
Mr.
There was a
P.K.
direct-
Bora. Mr. P.K. Bora, learned counsel for the respondent numbers 1 and 3. Submits that SLC has been convened in the office chamber of, what is the full form of DE?
District Director Elementary Education.
The office chamber of Director of Elementary Education, Assam, on 12/1/2026. For considering the case of the petitioner. For provincialization of service. And therefore submits that the matter may be posted again after that date. On the other hand, Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that since this court has already dealt on the issue and passed a specific direction on 20/12/2024 in the connected writ petition, it would not be open for the respondent authorities to revisit the issue. Now, be that as it may, the respective stand of the parties would be considered on the next date of listing. List this matter again on so and so. 9/2. You better come up with some concrete instructions. We'll take a decision on that.
Obvious.
I'm so losing in item 20. I'm not only appeal also. So I'm sorry.
We have passed an order,
Yes.
not dismissing it.
23,
My lord, in this case, lordship, we have taken a step twice. We have taken a step twice.
On,
But today itself, lordship, the office note saying that there is no predicate receipt nor unserved notice is returned back. Lordship, may I pray lordship, because speed post lordship, on that very day itself, it reached to the authority. All the official responded dispute. There cannot be an occasion that the notice has not lordship sent and they did not receive. But office note saying so. There is no track consignment of the postal. Lordship, may I pray, lordship, let it be placed before the Lordship and thereafter this honorable court, before this honorable court, because track consignment is required to be verified, whether it is received or not. Twice, lordship, we have taken a step. Contempt case, they are the lordship authority of dispute and Kahinibara.
notice was issued to the, please write. Notice was issued to the respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3 by speed post with AD on 2/12/2025. Stop registry to track the postal consignment and put up a note by the next date. List again on so and so.
Date may be given, lordship.
Or 2.
24, 25.
The rejoinder affidavits are coming, my lord, just after some time, if your lordship takes it up after some time.
This kind because I filed IML yesterday by my this, what is e-filing number.
Otherwise, my lord, this can be done without even reference to the rejoinder file.
This matter, this.
No, I am speaking about my rejoinder. I am not questioning your. It can be otherwise seen without even any reference to the rejoinder.
And they,
My lord, the basic case in the 6700, your lordship might remember, that was with regard to expanding the zone of consideration of the candidates called for the purpose of selection to the post of registrar.
So
Now,
what is
in the affidavit that they have,
What is the case about?
my lord, 6700, writ petition 6700 was filed by the petitioner. Your lordship may take up 6700 first.
By the petitioner
Yes,
and the other one also?
by the same petitioner. Both the petitions are by the same petitioner.
Why two writ petitions?
Well, yes, I am coming to that, my lord. 6700 was filed challenging the action of the respondent university in expanding the zone of selection by receiving applications beyond the cutoff date. That is the subject matter in 6700. Now, after I filed the 6700, I was holding the charge of the registrar of the university. Because I filed the writ petition here, on this ground, they have displaced me by another ad hoc appointee. Another stopgap appointee has been brought and I have been relieved of the charge of registrar.
Advertisement was for the post of registrar.
For the post of registrar.
You were holding the post of registrar.
I was holding the charge of the post of the registrar.
Charge.
Now, I filed the writ petition on the ground that there was a cutoff date in the advertisement, and by ignoring that cutoff date, they have accepted candidature from candidates who admittedly submitted their applications beyond the cutoff date. So that is the subject matter in 6700.
Okay. So a post was advertised, post of registrar,
Yes,
certain cutoff date.
yes.
You also applied.
I also applied.
There were candidates who applied.
Yes.
But then that cutoff date was modified,
No,
or it was
That-
people who were not in that zone of cutoff date,
yes,
they were accepted.
they were accepted.
So that led to filing 26700.
That led to filing of 6700.
Then what about
Then-
the other one?
Then 6719 is for the reason, Miller, I was holding the charge of the registrar. Now merely because I filed a writ petition before the honorable court, they replaced me by bringing another temporary appointee on the post. So that replacement is challenged in 6719. So basic challenge in the 6710 is, Miller, whether they can expand the zone of consideration by ignoring the cutoff date. Now in the affidavit that they have filed, two things are admitted. First of all, the fact that there were applications beyond the cutoff date, that is admitted by their affidavit. What they instead want to do in the writ proceeding now, they are challenging my very eligibility in participating in this election. On the ground that my certificates are forged, my certificates are not proper, these, that, very many grounds. But so far as the
No, that scrutiny on selection is yet to happen. isn't it?
yes, that's
Yes,
it.
That was my lord.
That is yet to happen.
That was it.
The scrutiny on this election is yet
This
to
is yet
happen.
to happen.
They
So-
could now join issues in the writ petition.
So as of the now, they can just take your application and keep it.
Yes,
And when the time of scrutiny comes,
that
they
they
may-
decide.
they may decide
Yes.
whichever way, isn't it?
Whichever way. Now question is that, Milord, now very schematically, Milord, the things are being done. Yesterday, 2 IAs have been filed for modification of the interim order. Your lordship passed an order of status quo in favor of the writ petitioner.
Okay.
Now yesterday, this application IA has been filed.
Status quo in which one? The
Both-
700.
both cases.
Both the cases. Exactly, almost exactly repeating in verbatim the plea that they have made in the affidavit. They're nothing but an attempt just to see that the hearing doesn't take place today. That is their approach. And your lordship will kindly see, if I take your lordship to the affidavits, my lord, the prime issue is whether they can expand the zone of selection or not by ignoring the cutoff date. It has got nothing to do whether I have my eligibility or not. If I am ineligible to participate, you decide it in the proceeding. Who stops you? Now, in the garb of filing the IA, they want that the hearing should not take place today, so that it goes to some further date. And in 6719 also, 6719, your lordship, there also your lordship passed an order of status quo. The effect of the status quo was that I would be continuing to exercise the power of drawing and disbursement officer. That was passed on 26th of November 2025. On 29th of November 2025, my lord, I have made a reference in my rejoinder. They have unilaterally transferred the power of DDO in favor of the present incumbent. Now to camouflage this act, this IA comes, so that a projection can be made before the honorable court that we are very sincere and serious about the interim order, and we have been honoring that. So, my lord, I'll just take your lordship to the affidavit that they have filed.
My
The-
lord,
the particular-
my senior friend, sir, my lord, my prayer, my lord, I have filed 2 IA, my lord, and yesterday evening they filed the rejoinder, evening after 5, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Yesterday evening you filed.
Yesterday they filed, my lord.
Mr. Datta, as on today, you're enjoying that interim order. Sorry?
They have violated it. Your lordship passed an, well, may I just give the premise, my lord. 6700, your lordship said that status quo shall be maintained, meaning thereby, since the selection has not finalized, so selection will remain at that stage. That is the status quo order in 6700. In 6719, your lordship passed an status quo order, because there was submission from the parties that merely the paper transaction has taken place. The formal transfer of the DDO power is not there. And your lordship passed an order of status quo protecting that the DDO power should be with me. Now, in the affidavit, they say that it has got nothing to do with the DDO power, and instead on 29th of November, they have taken it in favor of the present incumbent. Now, practically, my lord, there is no, there is no compliance of the order of status quo passed by your lordship.
Now, what they have done?
They have done what they have done. They have written to the government, and by taking concurrence of the government, my lord, they have shifted the authority of the DDO in favor of the present incumbent.
Where is that
Well, that
Document.
is,
My lord, my
It's
lord.
in the
this-
rejoinder.
my lord-
yes, that I have brought on rejoinder.
My lord, this, they, on particular 26/11/2025, my lord. At two, the your lordship was passed the order, my lord. And morning, my, and 25 itself, my lord, Sarge was in the bar, my lord. Sarge was, and my lord, everything was done by, my lord, before 12, my lord, before 12. My lord, if we, violate the court order, it is, they have every right to file a contempt.
So that our right we will take care of. You need not tell us.
Yes, my lord. And I pray, my lord, only I pray, this, I filed 2 IM, my lord. That may be listed along with this down, any that hearing immediately after Bihu, my lord.
No,
And 19, my
what
lord.
is the point of going to the IA?
My lord,
On the basis of the
another thing-
pleading
another-
file,
my
your
lord,
lordship can finally decide the
Yes,
petition
my lord,
itself.
another thing is, my lord, earlier your lordship fixed in date on 9th of December, my lord. We filed it timely our affidavit on 5th or 4th or 5th, my lord. And date on particular date, they took time, my lord. And if they are very serious, my lord, why they not filed that? It is reflected in the order passed by the
Your lordship,
my lord.
your
Passed by
lordship will
the-
kindly see their
Now,
affidavit.
My senior friend is, my lordship may look up, look, and the order of the court, my lord, on 26/11, my lord. 26, what, it is reflected, my lord.
Anyway, let us not argue in all those things.
Yes, my lord, there's,
See,
but their agency immediately after.
Both parties, I think, you see, will post this matter on a particular date. Let's take a final call.
Yes, my lord, yes.
Everything, IA, what not, writ petition, all
Yes,
that.
everything.
precisely, that is my point, my lord. Because if your lordship, because since the pleadings are complete in the writ petition, there is no point going in the IA. Your lordship can finally decide the writ petition
Yes,
itself.
I file I am, my lord. This court will decide, my lord. If court reject, my lord, I have no, my lord.
We'll have it on reopening.
My lord,
On
19,
19th?
my lord, 19.
19 is Monday.
Monday.
19, my lord.
What is the status? 19th? 12 matters. We can try. Uh,
Admission column, my lord.
It is submitted at the bar that the pleadings are complete. And therefore, let the matter be listed for admission hearing on 19th of January 2026. Mr. S.K. Mehdi, Learned Counsel for the university, also submits that an IA has been filed by the university. Registry to verify and also connect the same to the record.
My lord, both the cases, my lord.
Only thing is that, my lord, if your lordship will kindly extend the interim,
Yes, my lord, no problem.
the order of
We
status.
we have not touched, my lord, this selection.
Has it been vacated?
In both the,
Okay.
both the cases, my lord, there is
Status
an
quo
order.
passed early.
Yes,
or
I have no
sta-
problem.
The direction of status quo passed earlier shall continue till then.
My lord, only as this, when we started scrutiny, my lord, we have issued a letter, my lord, to submit his all experience certificate, my lord. Then this thing happened, my lord. When scrutiny committee starts, my lord, and I'll place every record, my lord.
You save your argument. for
Yes,
that
my
day.
lord.
Yes, for 19th.
And my lord, in Pune University, same time he passed the mustard.
Okay, okay, Mr. Mehdi.
This is.
You are prepared for argument, I think, today. Are you
No,
prepared?
my lord, not my lord.
Then-
My
He
friend
is
somehow-
prepared, but
No, my
he
lord.
somehow wants that it should not take place
My
today.
lord, I was prepared on night itself, my lord.
That is the plan.
No, my.
33 of the subjects for orders.
May it please your lordship. My lord, 32, 33 has come up because of an IA which we have filed in item number 32. Your lordship to kindly see the first page of the IA, my lord. If your lordship takes up item 32 first. The IA.
You want to withdraw the names?
My
Why?
lord, only these petitioners, my lord.
Why?
Petitioner number 10, 28, 39.
Question is why?
My lord, they have stated that they have some personal difficulties pursuing this matter. These present petitioners, my lord.
Personal difficulty?
Yes, my lord, they have some personal reasons.
Or they don't have any interest?
Maybe, my lord, because since these are all guest lecturers and no more, they are now no more in service also.
You are
Maybe
the
they want
counsel
to
for the
pursue-
petitioners,
My lord. I'm
as well
counsel-
as the applicants.
Yes, my lord.
Any objection? Then you'll have to, if we allow this, you have to file a
Amended cost. I
amended
will file
cost
it.
statement.
My lord.
Okay, what is your good name?
My lord K. Mohammed.
Art Mr. K. Mohanto, learned counsel for the applicants who submits that by filing this application, the applicants who appear as petitioner numbers 10, 28, 39, 40, 42, 47, 49, 54, 57, 58, and 61
My lord.
in the main writ petition, that is WPC number 4 350 of 2024. Seek withdrawal of their names as they do not want to contest the writ petition. Mr. S. Bhuyan, Learned Standing Council. Objection to the prayer. In view of above, the application stands allowed as paid for. IAS stands disposed of. Next, in the main writ petition, in view of the order passed today in IAC number 29 of 2026, petitioners to file the amended cost title in 2 sets before the registry of this court within 3 days.
My lord, I'm deeply obliged. My lord, in item 34, similar prayer, my lord.
Similar order, okay. Now, instead, now you will write this. Withdrawal of the applicants who appears as petition numbers 10, 13, 14, and 15 in the main writ petition, that is WPC number 65 of 2023. Only that, remaining same.
I'm deeply obliged.
For admission, item 4.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, kindly adjourn the matter for a week.
What?
For a week, your lordship. My senior, Mr. KK Mando, is having some personal difficulty, your lordship, but today, any date after Bihu.
On the prayer made on behalf of Mr. KK Mahanta, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner and not objected to by the other side, matter stands adjourned to be listed again after the ensuing due vacation.
Oblige, your lordship.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, the petitioner before your lordship, who was working as assistant teacher in the normal school Silchar, my lord, was placed under suspension. Annexure 8 at page 30, my lord. 30.
This is the order of suspension.
My lord, last paragraph. Therefore, pending trial of departmental proceeding, Sri Dinesh Chandra Sinha, assistant teacher, normal school teacher, is hereby placed under suspension with immediate effect. Thereafter, my lord, kindly page number 32, my lord.
Yes.
The page 33, my lord, relevant portion, the impugn order dated 11/12/2014 and show cause notice dated 15/12/2014 shall remain state. Thereafter, my lord,
Then
my lord, the writ petition number, earlier writ petition number 735 of 2015, my lord, at page 38, annexure 14, my lord, of judgment dated 10/5/2018, my lord.
page.
Page 38, my lord. Annexure 14.
Yes.
My lord, operative part of the judgment, my lord, at page 41.
Yes.
In the aforesaid circumstances, as the order of suspension as well as the show cause notice are found to be unsustainable, both are set aside and quashed by this honorable court, my lord, in writ petition number. But in spite of that, my lord, the authority concerned, my lord, did not pass, my lord, any specific order under Fundamental Rule 54B, treating the period of suspension of the petitioner as on duty. As on duty, my lord. And accordingly, arrear salaries due to the petitioner have been paid till late, my lord.
No, they have treated us on duty.
Yes.
By which order?
They have not,
They have not treated.
yes. No, there is no specific order, and as such, my lord, the arrear salary of the petitioner remain unpaid.
This, okay, this judgment was passed on 10/5/2018.
Yes.
Writ petition filed in 2019. What is your position
Now I am retired, my lord,
as retired from
retired from the assistant teacher.
assistant teacher?
Yes.
Of,
And assistant teacher
of,
of normal school Silchar.
what is that school? Primary school?
No, my lord, it is under the, my lord, State Council of Educational Research and Training at
SCRT.
SCRT, under the SCRT.
Let us see your appointment. Where is that appointment?
My lord, first appointment letter, my lord.
Or your superannuation, you have any superannuation order?
Lordship,
Retirement order, superannuation order?
no, my lord, no,
There's no order.
no order. Before retirement, my lord, I filed this petition.
How you retired?
Retired on, my lord, 31st January 2019, my lord.
How have you retired? Any order? Normally they pass an order,
The petitioner before attend
so and so retiring on superannuation with effect from so and so like that. Order is passed, isn't it? Normally,
Normally, that has not been annexed, my lord. Because, my lord, the writ petition,
so how do we know that you have retired also then? There's no document to show that you have retired.
my lord, retired before retirement, my lord, after the suspension period set aside, my lord. Suspension, my lord, and the shock cause notice that has been set
Mr.
aside.
Counsel, please
My-
answer the question.
My lord,
Page 41 you have shown me,
yes,
court has interfered with the suspension order and the show cause notice.
yes,
Person to that order, any order has been passed by the authority.
no, my lord,
That is why you have filed this writ
yes,
petition.
yes.
And when did you retire?
Retired on, my lord, 31st January 2019.
Where is your statement? Thirty-first,
31st January 2019, my lord. I have
Where-
filed it.
no, where is your statement? At least bring the facts to the notice of the court.
My lord, before retirement, I have filed this writ petition, my lord.
So you have been neglecting your writ petition also, spending since 2019.
And my lord,
You have to update the court
Lo-
also.
lordship,
Have you filed any reply affidavit?
no, my lord, reply affidavit has not been filed.
Then
But they have filed, my lord, admitting all the things.
just call this Chamadar. Court to court আছে। কব লাগে হয়। Date of retirement?
31st January, my lord. 2019.
Retired as a post in the post of
Retired post of my assistant teacher.
assistant teacher, where?
Assistant teacher in normal school, Silchar.
In
Normal school, Silchar.
normally, normal school.
Yes,
That is the name of the school,
yes.
normal school.
Normal school, Silchar, my lord.
What kind of name is that?
Kachar
Normal
district, Silchar.
Normal school.
Yes.
Okay. What is your prayer? Let us see.
Prayer is, my lord, at page, my lord, 11, my lord, of the petition. Prayer A, my lord,
FR 54B.
FR 50.
What is FR 54B?
B, my lord.
What, what
I-
is FR 54B?
My lord, may I read, my lord?
Hmm.
FR 54B. Clause 1, when a government servant who has been suspended is reinstated or would have been so reinstated, but for his retirement on superannuation while under suspension, the authority competent to order reinstatement shall consider and make a specific order as to regarding the pay and allowances to be paid to the government servant for the period of suspension ending with reinstatement or the date of his retirement on superannuation as the case may be, and whether or not the said period shall be treated as a period spent on duty. That the authority concerned has not been passed any order on this matter.
And what is your second prayer? To promote you?
Second prayer is my national promotion.
National promotion.
Yes, national promotion because
How?
because my lordship annexure, my lord, 7, page 27.
Hmm.
Page 27, my lord. Provisional gradation list has been published, my lord. And may I read, my lord?
Yes.
Provisional gradation list of assistant teacher of normal school. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to forward herewith a copy of provisional gradation list of assistant teacher normal school Assam for your information and necessary action. The incumbent concerned may be requested to submit their objection, if any, in this regard on or before so date to this office for taking necessary action. If no objection be received within the stipulated period, the provisional gradation list will be treated as final and no objection complaints will be entertained thereafter. Thereafter, my lord, your lordship will find at page 28, my lord. I am, my lord, Dinesh Chandra Sinha, serial number 4, my lord. So, my lord, the serial number 5, Srimati Padmavati Deka, who is, my lord, I have implemented her as respondent number 5. My lord, who is junior to me, she has been given the promotion.
When?
Promoted, my lord, on promoted, my lord, on 3/1/2017. Annexure 12, page 35, my lord.
Annexure?
Annexure, my lord, 12, page 35. Order, my lord. By the State Council of Educational Research and Training Director.
2017. Page?
Page, my lord, 35.
35.
35, annexure 12, my lord. Serial number 2, my lord, Padmavati Deka.
Respondent number?
Respondent
5.
number 5, my lord.
Anyone appearing for this?
My lord, I am appearing for respondent number 3 on behalf of Mr. B. Google, my lord. To be arguing this matter, my lord.
Who is that? Respondent number 3.
SCRT, my lord, Director SCRT, my lord.
Okay. Anyone appearing for respondent number 5? That is the question. Pratima, no, Pada, what is this? What is the name?
Padmavati.
Padmavati Deka, my lord.
Padmavati Deka.
One.
Normal school, Jorhat.
She was,
So-
I guess she was,
Normal school has got branches everywhere.
yes, sir. My lord.
What? Normal school.
Normal school where teachers are trained, my.
Oh, that's called normal.
Yes. Earlier, my lord, that where teachers are trained. Normal school, Julat, my lord, normal school, Silchar.
Name, what is the name of the petitioner?
Name of the petitioner is my lord, Dinesh Chandra Sinha.
Okay, Dinesh Chandra Sinha.
Yes.
In promotion order, it says that Padmavati is promoted due to retirement of Abdul Hussain, Vice Principal.
Yes.
So according to you, your next promotional post is Vice Principal.
Yes.
And as per the gradation list, you are senior to respond number 5.
5.
But because of your suspension and all that,
Yes.
she has been superseded you.
Yes.
But ultimately, your suspension and show cause was set aside.
Set aside, my.
Any appeal filed
No, my.
against that writ petition?
No.
No appeal.
No, my.
And now you have filed this writ petition seeking for regularization of your suspension period to be
As-
treated as on duty for all purposes,
As on duty. For the
and also to consider you for give you notional
Notional
promotion. Okay. Now, as on today, what are you enjoying? Pension?
my lord.
Are you getting pension?
Not my lord, not even pension. My lord.
How do we know that you have not filed anything?
My lord, the,
During the pendency of the writ petition, so many things happened.
yes,
You're not bringing up those things on record.
my lord, the,
Only orally you're saying that I have retired, nothing given to me. Where is that in your writ petition? It's not there.
my lord, then I'll file an additional
You have to update
Or
your
to-
thing
to bring it light, my lord, and to educate.
Exactly.
better, my lord.
so that court can pinpoint and if so required, interfere. Otherwise, now we are interfering in the thin air. He might have retired on this date. Give him.
I'll place, my lord, all.
How can that be?
What?
You have a good case, perhaps. You have a good case,
My
perhaps.
lord, my lord.
Because,
I'll bring all those, my lord.
because if they have not done anything, they have to do something.
And my lord, even my lord, the suspension period that has been, my lord, set aside in quest, I have communicated with the authority. But in spite of that, they extended the suspension period. It is contempt to nature, my lord.
Then why didn't you come to the court saying that they have not complied with this?
My lord, earlier, my lord, one contempt petition was filed, my lord, and
Then
complaint petition, by virtue of this complaint petition, my contempt petition, my lord, they have placed, my lord, me on service, my lord.
where is that?
But without all these things, I'll bring light before this court, my lord.
You have to bring all those things on
Well-
record, you see. This is the thing.
Long period, my lord, could not contact to this petition.
When can you file your additional affidavit? Oh, you could not contact your petitioner.
Yes, that's why the problem, my lord.
I think he has no interest. When?
No interest is there, my lord, he is not.
So we'll
getting
dismiss
salary,
it
my
then.
lord. Salary, my lord.
We'll dismiss the writ petition.
My lord, for the,
Recording that petitioner has no interest.
for my negligence, my lord, negligence of the council, my lord, he should not suffer, my lord.
No, it is not your negligence.
No, no, my lord, I could not. I myself could not.
It is not your negligence.
So
You say
I'll
that
place all the things, my lord, before
you
your
do not
lord,
contact your client,
before
so
your lordship, my lord, all the records I'll place, and this honorable court adjudicate them properly.
maybe he's
For the
enjoying.
interest of justice, my lord.
Okay.
My-
Please write, this writ petition was filed with 2 specific prayers. Stop. The first prayer was for, the first prayer is for treating the suspension period of the petitioner as on duty for all purpose in terms of FR 54-B. Since the suspension as well as the show cause notice issued to him was set aside by this court. White judgment dated 10/5/2018 in WPC number 735 of 2015. Stop. The second prayer of the petitioner is to give him notional promotion since the respondent number 5, who is admittedly junior to him, has been given promotion on 3/1/2017 to the post of vice principal of normal school.
Yes.
Stop next para. What is your good name?
TU Laskar.
Mr. T.U. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that during the pendency of the writ petition, the petitioner had retired on superannuation on 31/1/2019.
But the affidavit showed in the 12th February 2019.
His submission.
No, my lord.
This was your submission, Mr. Counsel.
Yes, Lord. This is my,
After retirement, he has filed a sick. Kindly see the affidavit, ma'am. It's dated on 12th February 2019. He was, yesterday that he retired on 31st January 2019.
My lord, in our affidavit, it's 12 February 2016, my lord.
2016 I have filed it.
16.
Is error apparent one.
Correct. You have filed on 13/2/2019. It's not even during the pendency.
Yes.
Prior to filing of writ petition, you have retired.
After that, my lord, I have retired.
Why are you so adamant? This is the round seal here given. And your affidavit is signed on which date? Let's see. 12 February 2019. Now, you retired according to you on 31/1/2019.
Yes, that is.
So which one is early? February comes after January or January comes after February?
Probably, my
Tell
lord,
me.
is
In your calendar.
typographical mistake, my lord, I don't excuse my.
Then what did I say last? During the pendency submits that the petitioner retired on superannuation on 31/1/2019. No benefit has been given to him till date. Stop. On perusal of the writ petition, it appears that have you mentioned that retirement in your writ petition? No. You have not mentioned.
No, not my.
Petitioner has not mentioned about his superannuation from service, either by making a statement or by enclosing appropriate order in that regard. Stop, Mr. Laskar, learned counsel submits that since he's not in touch with his clients for some time, file an additional affidavit to bring all necessary particulars on record. In view of above, matter stands adjourned to be listed again on so and so. 17/2. File one affidavit,
Hi, Lord.
precisely whatever.
My lord, I'll file.
Item 7.
May it please your lordship that counsel for the BTC has to obtain instruction, my lord, that earlier order dated 8/12/25. That is
BTC,
Mr. We have already filed our affidavit, lordship, regarding 4 and 5.
এইটো পাইছো, এইটোকে উল্টা উল্টি লিখছে affidavit.
Then why was it mentioned last time that some information is required?
Actually, my lord, my case is, my lord, all are, my lord, on fixed pay. And that the affidavit they file, my lord, they have annexed to judgment of the High Court, my lord, that they sought for regularization of service. But in our case, my lord, that the prayer is not there. That's why my prayer, my lord, my prayer is that, my lord, page 11. In the premises of the before this honorable court, they be pleased to admit this petition, call for the record.
Current salary,
Directly-
area salary. Current salary, area salary.
Only that we are appointed on fixed pay, my lord. Whatever our, my lord, fixed salary that may be paid, that was the, my lord, only prayer. Because at the inception, my lord, creation of BTC, my lord, this year, that way, they were for stopgap arrangement, they
What do,
appointed us.
what do they say in their affidavit?
They are saying, my lord, to
Lordship, paragraph 3 of the affidavit, Lordship, page 50.
Read.
Lordship, as per this information, Lordship, these persons were appointed on fixed
Read your paragraph 3.
paragraph 3. That as regards to the abutment, so, the lower division assistants and gardeners of various high schools and higher secondary schools were appointed against non-sanctioned and non-existent posts without due process of law by the inspector of schools in the year 1997 during erstwhile BSc. Before,
subsequently.
yes, Lordship. Subsequently, those so appointed were terminated on 12/11/2004 by the order dated so and so issued by the deed and joint secretary BTC as per resolution number so and so so and so. The copy of the resolution we have annexed, and thereafter we have stated, Lordship, further the deponent says that the writ petitions being number 4496 Ananda Ram Lahiri pertaining to payment of area salary and regularization of service of the petitioners who were also appointed as LDA and guardians of the various higher secondary schools by the inspector of schools BTC have been dismissed by this honorable court on the ground that the petitioners were not recruited against any sanction or regular post, and therefore the honorable court found no merit in the petitioner's case for regulation of their service, and we have annexed the High Court's order, Lordship. Thereafter, we have stated, it is the settled position of the related service related claim will be rejected on the ground of delay and losses or limitation, and High Court will restrict the consequential relief related to areas normally to a period of 3 years prior to the date of filing of the writ petition. Lordship, basically the same claim has been made, and the Honorable High Court by order we have annexed, Lordship, 4496 2014 writ petition, page number 55. It was dismissed.
Mr. Goswami,
Yes, my lord.
what is the precise period? Are you still working or not?
Yes, my lord, still working.
Still
Because they
working.
are terminated. Still
You are-
termination, my lord, we are working.
You're not terminated.
Not terminated, not terminated. That is vague statement given that there's someone has been terminated, but specifically we are not terminated. Terminated order has not been annexed.
So tell us, what is the specific date of your non-payment of salary? For which year?
From inception, we are not paying.
Inception means which date? There must be a date.
Yes, my lord. The date of appointment, my lord.
98 or
Yes, my
97?
lord. And in manner, it varies petitioner to petitioner, my lord. That
Page 7, paragraph 3. There's a chart.
yes, my lord.
This is the one.
Yes, my lord.
How many petitioners in all? 10.
10, my lord.
So since 97, you are working without salary
Yes, my
till
lord.
2025, 26.
Yes, my lord.
See, kindly see the 97 before constitution of the BTC, Lordship, 2003, it was constituted. And it was terminated, all of the persons who were appointed.
Where that termination order?
Show us the
But-
termination order. Then
If termination order is there, my lord, let them produce.
Then, Lordship, I want some time to place this information, Lordship. The termination order.
Earlier it was BTC.
BTC, my
BSc,
lord.
earlier
BSc,
BSc.
BSc,
Earlier it was BSc.
BSc, my lord.
Thereafter it was
What was the full form?
Bodoland Autonomous Council, my lord.
Okay. And when it became BTC?
2003.
2003.
Because that time, my lord, appointment,
Please write down, there is a dispute on the claim made by the petitioners that they are still working. Working as what?
my lord.
Working as what?
Working as
Which-
Non-existent post.
156 was LDA, my lord.
Oh,
And 7 to
non-existent
10
post is a
gardener.
different thing. What is the post? Teacher, gardener or what? Carpenter, what?
1 to 6
are you-
LDA.
Huh?
7 to 10 gardener.
Gardener and
Gardener, my lord. Only gardener, 7
only gardener,
gardener. As
working
Mali
as
Mela.
gardener. Out being appointed by the erstwhile Board Autonomous Council. Top, the respondent BTC on the other hand, at paragraph number 3, has maintained that
Lordship,
they have,
Lordship, may I take 2 minutes time, Lordship? Page number 55. The Honorable High Court's order, it is clarified, Lordship.
no, you produce the termination order, you say termination.
It is stated as all such appointments. All such appointments has been terminated.
No, but where is the termination order? Produce that.
That
That's what
is-
I'm asking you. Whereas the, what did I say? Please read from the beginning, okay? I got lost track. Of their counter affidavit have stated that appointment were made against non-sanctioned and non-existent posts without due process of law, and therefore all the appointments have been terminated on 12/11/2004. Right order dated right order you can see. 2004, stop. However, the termination order is not annexed to the counter affidavit. Wait, just a minute. What is this 12/11?
Page 54, Lordship. That is the order.
Termination করতে আছে?
Lordship,
না, by name.
binding.
By name লাগবে না?
What they say last? Okay, I think I have to change that. Although the termination order is annexed as an extra 1 to the counter affidavit, but the same appears to be a general order without mentioning any specific names. Stop, under this circumstance, learned counsel for the BTC shall obtain instructions and produce the relevant records to show that the services of the petitioners have indeed been terminated by the order dated 12/11/2024. 2004. What is your good name?
MS N. Chaudhary.
N. Chaudhary, okay. Learned Standing Counsel BTC, Miss MS Chaudhary, huh? List again, when can you produce?
After vacation, Lordship.
You have to show us that these people have been terminated.
Name.
Specific names. Other generally, how can you say that they are all terminated like that?
Lordship, various persons were appointed before this constitution, so without following due procedure. So by this order, terminated all these persons
No, but you have to substantiate. Just blanket order like that, we don't know who has been terminated. Get instructions.
Persons, Lordship, who are appointed in non-sanction or non-existent.
Who are
posts.
those persons?
Yes,
You must
Lordship.
identify them.
Specific name is not there.
So get your instructions. We'll see. You said termination, he says he's still working. So that, how do we resolve
Yes,
that?
my lord.
Unless you show us,
Certificate also, dear my lord, I will produce.
right? Okay. List on 10-2.
Right.
Item 8 and 9.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, in this matter, we are going to file affidavit mail today itself. So sometime ago.
When are you going to file the affidavit?
Today, my lord.
Today?
No, my lord. We are going to file affidavit.
When are you going to file?
Today, my lord.
Today?
Today, my lord.
Okay.
Yesterday, we have received the.
Present Fukan, Lanet Standing Council. Elementary Education submits that she'll be filing the counter affidavit of the department within the course of the day.
Well,
Such being the submission, let the matter be listed when 17/2/2025. 26.
Item 10.
Lordship. Lordship, on last occasion, the government side, my lord, produced entire record. And so far affidavit filed by the respondent number 2 without having any record, therefore, as per direction of this one court, on last occasion record, the petitioner name has not been recommended by the state as well as the district authority,
Compassion Department.
which was not.
What is the case matter relates to Compassion Department?
Matter relates to, my lord, as per this. Act.
Compassionate.
No. Assam Education Provincial of Service of Teacher and Reorganization of Educational Institute Act 2017.
Provincialization.
Yes.
Okay.
And now, my lord, this senior teacher already been deprived and her junior one already been provincialized as tutor. As per so notification dated lordship 4 February 2021.
Who will produce the records?
The government, the respondent number 2.
Who is that?
Already last occasion the record
Elementary.
received by this court.
Elementary
And-
education.
And they filed, my lord, affidavit that state.
We submitted the records, Lordship,
Where?
at the last occasion, Lordship. Which is kept on record, Lordship.
Huh? The record is there.
Voluminous record. On last occasion received by this court, they submitted.
Not tag. Shall be kept on record, it says. The last line.
Record to look at it. That is delivered.
Record is here. Where will be the record then? We'll post it some other day. Please write down. The Standing Council Elementary Education Department had produced the department file on the last occasion. An office note dated 20/12/2025 indicates that the same is kept in the court. Stop. However, the Department of Records has not been tagged with the records today. To stop in view of above, registry to do the needful and list the matter again on so and so along with the records. 10-2.
Short date may be given, Lordship, because it is very long pending case. Short date may be given. Already reading completed.
No, we are doing our best to give a short date. That is a short date for us. Right?
10
10 to-
February.
Yes, do that. Probably.
Item 12.
rechecking of answer script, my lord, of 2022 HSLC examination. We have submitted affidavit. Today, my friend is supposed to argue on the point, if the answer scripts are not available, according to the SEBA rules, they have destroyed the answer script, original assembly within 4 months. Then if I am entitled some marks, then what will be the consequence? How the situation be resolved? In this regard, my lord, I have produced a judgment passed by this division bench, my lord, which is on record, my lord, and therefore the connected writ petition has also been tagged. On the same situation, my lord, this honorable court directed the authorities to consider, my lord.
What is that judgment?
My lord, it is reported judgment, my lord, 2018 1 GLD 749. The writ petition has been tagged, my lord, that writ petition.
Writ petition number?
My lord.
Writ petition number?
Writ petition.
My lord, 6226 of 2007.
Is it there? 6227?
Your lordship has tagged the matter.
Which portion of the judgment are you relying upon?
31, my lord.
Paragraph 31?
Yes. Same submission, paragraph 11, made by my friend, my lord. The answer scripts were destroyed because the syllabus rule only 4 months only. Even then also, my lord, in view of our case, paragraph 31.
Paragraph 31?
Yes, my lord. We direct the respondent number 2 and 3 to re-examine the answer script of the petitioner in respect of subject is different. Now my Assamese subject in that examination, 17 examination subject is different. Almost all are similar.
Just a minute. You are reading from which judgment?
My lord,
Division bench judgment.
yes, my lord, 2018 1 GLT, page 749, Dishti Borua.
Case number?
Case number, petition number 6226 of 2017.
Okay. What was the reasoning given? And what was the issue involved there?
Same issue, my lord. My lord, some marks has been, there were some discrepancies of marks. They have submitted application. for
Mark
rechecking.
in which examination?
HSLC examination.
Matriculation?
Yes, my lord.
And that four months period has lapsed.
Yes, my lord.
Or what? In that case?
Yes, my lord. Paragraph 11, they have stated that the answer script have been were destroyed because as per SEBA's regulation.
Just a minute. The parties are ready for hearing?
Only refer to.
It may be taken up after vacation.
After vacation.
I have to go through it. He says there's some similar cases there. This case is slight difference. Distribute, I will distribute it. Slight difference. His case and in this case.
Okay. We'll fix a date then.
Yes, my lord.
Because no point hearing after 1 hour and then adjourning it. As agreed to by the parties, let the matter be listed for admission hearing on 17/2.
72.
Yes.
Pass of that.
30.
Here the petitioner is a lady teacher retired in 2001, not getting her pension, and area 21 retired in 2021, not getting her pension, and my lord, my area salaries. Lordship may kindly have a look at the last two orders by this court. The 10/11/25, order dated 10/11/25. I think the last chance was given to the government respondent to file affidavit within 2 weeks. They failed to pass. Then again, my lord, 3/12/25. This was the last order. Again, my lord, it was a last chance. Now repeatedly, if my lord, last chance is given and the matter is not disposed of on merit by this honorable court, my lord, people will lose faith. So I pray that this may be disposed of today in view of the fact that a person, government servant retiring in 2021, not getting.
But affidavit is ready and send it for making money. So Monday time.
When did you send it? Are you getting provisional pension?
No, nothing. Nothing. Last occasion I said, my lord, let the matter be disposed of on merit. And area salaries. Pursuant to a, my lord, judgment of this court, 16 applicants in a writ petition, they were given accepting me because of some note by the treasury officer. And subsequently, that was, my lord.
What seems to be the difficulty in not releasing the salary?
My lord, page 45,
Yes.
there was an initial note. Kindly have a look. It was a judgment by this.
Send. On 4 December.
4 December.
It's my lord.
You should have received by now.
My lord. I need 2 days time maybe. Because.
No, on what basis you are saying 2 days? On what basis you are saying 2 days? You have information that it is coming to you.
My lord, we have sent it for waiting, my lord. So kindly 2 days time maybe.
That you have already said. You have said you have sent it for vetting and you have also given me the date of 4/12, is it?
Yes.
4/12.
Yes.
So now, do you have any information that the vetted affidavit is coming to you in 2 days' time? If you don't have that, then what will happen after 2 days? Holiday will happen, then that means 1 week, 10 days. He'll come back again on after all days.
Last date was the similar submission was made, ma'am. That it came for vetting. I don't know.
So can you get any instruction as of now to find out whether it's coming or not?
My lord,
Accordingly, we'll give you time. See, we may give you time accordingly, but at least be specific about, be sure about the thing. Because you have seen already 2 last chance given. How many last chance can be given in a case?
My lord, better maybe taken in.
Last chance, real last chance, second real last chance, like that. Huh?
At 2 months.
No, that too. You get instruction now.
After some.
After some time, yes, surely.
All right, ma'am, I am here.
So in the meantime, Mr. Bobra, you
Yes.
tell me,
My
page
lord,
45.
Let me narrate, page 45.
Hmm.
My lord, the judgment, first your lordship may have a look at the judgment.
Hmm.
It was a
Judgment, which judgment?
judgment of this court, my lord.
In which case?
This was a judgment, my lord.
You had come earlier also.
2002, I came earlier. Not only me, petitioners in batches, and all these petitioners were disposed of by a common judgment and order. The judgment is at my lord, page 37.
You were also one of the petitioners.
Yes, my name, your lordship will find at page 35, serial number 8 in one batch of the petitioner. Page 35.
Riva Barkotakari.
Yes, that's me. So I was there.
Oh.
And my writ petition was, my lord, in my batch, there were around 17 petitioners. In fact, 17 petitioners, WPC 4135 of 2002. Then, my lord, kindly have a look at, my lord, the judgment operative portion I am reading, page 40. Insofar as WPC authority as reflected in the orders impugned in the said cases appear to be that it is by virtue of the interim orders passed in this court amongst others in so-and-so case and so-and-so case that salaries of the petitioners in the 2 cases had to be stopped. The reasons which prompted the authority to resort to said action appear to be that after cancellation order of so-and-so was issued, it was against the resultant vacancies that the petitioner in WPC, this is my case, were allowed to draw their salaries. They said these are non-existent posts, therefore it was stopped. The vacancies against which writ petitioners in the present 2 cases were allowed to draw their salaries are reflected in so-and-so order. There appears to be no correlation between the said vacancies and posts in respect of which cancellations were made by order dated so-and-so. In the affidavit filed by a state respondent, such a position has been indicated only in respect of petitioner number 17 in WPC number so-and-so. I am number 8. That is not me. Though the state would like to contend that it is against the posts falling vacant by cancellation made by order dated so-and-so that writ petitioners in 4135, the said position does not appear to be borne out by records. That's what the court said. Mere assertion without any corroboration by the records placed before this court cannot justify the stand taken by the respondents. Even otherwise, as no invalidity of the adjustment of the writ petitioners in the two cases against non-planned posts have been pleaded by the state respondents, even on a hypothetical assumption that the stand of the state is correct, the obligation on part of the state authority to pay the salaries and dues to the petitioners will continue. It is very clear. For the aforesaid reasons, 4135 also have to be allowed, and the orders impugned in the said two cases, that is stoppage of salaries. Initially they started paying, then they stopped. Shall stand set aside and quashed. Consequently, salaries as may be due to the petitioners came in terms of directions contained herein shall be paid by the state respondents forthwith. So this is a judgment. Then, my lord, for years they didn't implement. Ultimately, your lordship will find a letter at my lord page 42. There is a letter from the district elementary education to the director requesting that she was under medical treatment. ME by this order memo. I joined 1 month. So I request the honor to accord necessary approval to release her monthly salary.
That was in 2003.
Yes.
Then
Date of joining at your earliest. Page 44. I think that is the page 44 is the original. Last paragraph. So I request your honor to accord necessary approval to release her monthly salary from the date of her joining at your salary convenience. So my date of my joining was what? 1999.
see, that was regarding your arrears salary and all that.
Yes,
Isn't it?
1990.
Now, I
Now
think
thereafter,
today you are
Today, my
asking
lord,
for,
next page.
today
next
you are asking for pension,
Yes, pension
pensionary
and
benefit,
area salaries because
arrears salary.
I am showing.
So
page 45.
apparently there appears to be some sort of calculation to be done
No, lordship,
as to whether you had given the salary or not at the relevant time
my lordship may have a kindly look at page 45.
in order to finalize your pension papers. I think that is the issue.
No, kindly have a look at page 45. There were 17 petitioners, including me. What happened to others? Page 45. This is a letter. Reference to, we have the honor to, the pairwise comment detailed report, so and so. Report of the district elementary officer reveals that out of 17 petitioners, 16 are getting their salaries regularly, but the petitioner, me, is not getting salary as reported by the, why not getting? The same judgment, I was petitioner number 8. Why not getting next paragraph? Srimati Borkotagi is one of the writ petitioners in 4135, was appointed by elementary officer Dinsuke against a planned post. Thereafter, she was placed against non-planned post occurred at the same school by so and so. But as reported by the district elementary education officer, she is not getting salary due to objection raised by treasury officer. What objection? In respect of a particular and allowing others to get salaries. After this, another 1.5 years elapsed. Then ultimately, with effect from August 2010, I was granted regular time scale like the other co-petitioners, which your lordship will find at page 47, page 48. Page 48. Ultimately, it was in 2000, August 12, 2000, that treasury officer was overruled. Several so and so. It refers to the order of this honorable court dated my lord 25/9/2002, passed in 4135. Riba Borkotagi, so and so is hereby adjusted against vacant post lying vacant school, so and so promotion at the great pay per month. So it was from that order that I was given, and I should have given from my lord 1999, date of my joining. And moreover, thereafter, 1999, I fell under my lord. Had it been in 1999, I would have fallen under my lord, the old pension scheme. Even after that, even after the judgment, even after the joining.
So, Mr. Bobber, I think ultimately the affidavit is required.
Lordship.
Affidavit is required ultimately.
Lordship, in fact, the affidavit has already been sent for vetting, Lordship.
So that was what I've heard. When is it coming back?
Lordship, immediately your Lordship fix the matter immediately on reopening, Lordship. In the meantime, I will file, Lordship. It has already been sent for vetting, Lordship.
Okay, don't repeat that again and again. It has been sent. It was sent on 4th December. We know that.
Lordship, Lordship,
Question is, when is it coming back?
Lordship.
Will it come back this year or next year?
I will ensure
Huh?
to be filed before the next year.
I will leave it to
Lordship,
your
Lordship.
Lordship.
Although 2 last chance were given for filing counter affidavit, but the respondents have failed to file their affidavit. Mr.
PN Sharma.
P.N. Sharma, Learned Standing Council. Elementary Education submits that the affidavit has been sent for vetting and will be filed
Lordship,
within a week's time.
Lordship.
Considering the same,
20th January, ma'am. Reopening will be on 19th.
that the matter will be listed again on.
Lordship, can it be on 23rd, Lordship?
Why?
23rd of January.
Why?
Only 2 days time.
No, no, why? Just for sake of taking time? They will go on taking time? Just 1 minute ago, he said immediately on reopening. Now why?
We'll have it
Why
on-
this dilly-dally?
We'll have it on 27th.
Lordship, Lordship,
23rd is a holiday, in fact,
Lordship, Lordship,
27th.
Lordship.
27 Lord.
If
I
affidavit
will
is,
be there, my lord. I am sorry, I have a case fixed in Itanagar, my lord.
oh,
It can be either on 22nd, my lord, I will be here. Thursday.
29. Oh, we'll have to have it some other time, not on 22nd. So many cases are listed on that day, that's why. 29?
29.
29.
There's a last chance, my lord.
Last chance.
No more last chance. This is already twice you were given last chance. It is made clear that if the affidavit is not filed, court shall not accept the affidavit.
Matter will be disposed.
No, if the affidavit is not filed by the next date, or not before the next date, court shall consider imposing cost.
Yes. Obliged.
Yes.
OT.
I knew that. It's okay.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lord, in this case, my lord, I'm challenging the impute removal, my lord. I am the elected SMC president of a ME school, Jadavpur ME school located in the Bopeda district. And after that, I was duly approved by the authority. And during my tenure, some dispute arises between me and headmaster. And on that regard, headmaster lodged a complaint before the authority. And authority, without hearing me, without issuing notice me, removal order was passed. And subsequently, earlier vice president of my committee approved as a president. And I'm challenging that order by this petition.
You were holding the post of member or president?
I was president, elected president.
President. And what is the tenure?
My lord, tenure was 3 years, my lord. And impugn order is, my lord, kindly go through the impugn order, my lord, page 34 of my writ petition. This order issued on 24/6/24. However, by this impugn order, my lord, very illegible condition. This is, my lord, type copy is there. Page 31 is the type copy, my lord.
31.
31 is type copy, my lord.
This is the, what is this? This is the appointment order.
No, approval, my lord.
Approval.
This is a impugn order, my lord. By this order, I was removed, and another one was approved as a president, my lord. And one major discrepancy in this order, my lord, I was approved by a general meeting held on 10/10/23, and by the similar general meeting, subsequent president was approved, my lord. According to the act, it cannot be done by same general meeting
my lord, two president can approve, my lord. Then, my lord, this is the major discrepancies by the respondent. On another issue I have raised in this writ petition, my lord, removal was done, my lord, without giving any opportunity to me, my lord.
Where is that removal order?
Thirty-one. This is the removal order, my lord.
But this says approval of school management committee.
By this approval order, my lord, subsequent president approved. I was removed.
How you were removed? Since your name is not there, that's why you say you are removed.
Yes, yes, yes.
There is no separate order.
No, my lord, that order not here, my lord. In respect of my removal, my lord.
Who is the subsequent president? Name.
Subsequent president is, my lord, Aklima Khatun, who was the earlier vice president of my committee.
What is the name?
Aklima Khatun, page 32.
Akliman Khatun,
Yes, my lord.
female. And where is the earlier
Approval. My approval is, my lord, page 19, my lord. Type copy, my lord. Kindly, page 19, bottom side, my lord. This is to inform you that as per the resolution passed in general meeting of the parent guardians of the student teacher, etc., held on 10/10/23 SMC for Jadavpur MA School, hereby approved as follows. And in my removal order, my lord, not removal, my lord, subsequent president approval order, that is also same. This is to inform you that as per the resolution passed in general meeting of the parent guardian of the student teacher, etc., held on 10/10/23 SMC for Jadavpur MA School. Two president approved by same one general meeting.
You are the parent of one of the students.
Yes, yes, I am the parent of one of the students. My lord, of the school.
And tenure of such appointment is for 3 years.
3 years, my lord.
What is wrong in this removal or whatever approval? According to you, no chance was given to you. No notice was given to you.
That is another issue. Two issues I am raising by this writ petition. One issue is by the same general meeting, I was approved as a president and subsequent president also approved by the same general meeting. It cannot be, my lord, as per according law, my lord. Assam Right of Child to Free and Compulsory Education Rules, 2011.
Illegal record was called for, man.
You have the records.
Section 13, my lord, subsection 5, it is clearly stated, my lord.
So for receipt of notice as regards to convening meeting from the department. Last for the mail kindly replied.
But before, my lord,
Shruti, who's appearing? Department? Elementary or what? What is the department? Elementary. Anyone appearing? Elementary department?
for a moment, my lord, kindly peruse page 44. That is the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 2, my lord.
The records for what actually?
Actually, my lord, pleadings are completed, my lord.
Just listen. Records for what?
The allegation is that before convening the meeting, as regards to his removal matter, no notice was issued to him. This is the allegation raised by the petitioner.
But what records of elementary
Yes,
education will produce?
In that regard, my lord,
This is a meeting of the managing committee.
Yes,
Department has no business.
Madam.
Then
In that regard, my lord, what happened, my lord, the clarification from the department has been sought for as regard to whether any notice was issued to him or not. In that regard, affidavit has been filed, my lord.
no, who will issue notice?
Notice is issued by the madam managing committee.
Managing committee.
I have, my
So
lord.
records of managing committee is required,
Yes, ma'am.
not records of the department. What department record will show?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What will it show?
Yes.
Another thing is, there are two meetings.
Yes.
10/10/2023. Not one meeting, in fact, 10/10/2023,
Yes.
by which petitioner is nominated as the president.
Election was convened, ma'am.
Election or whatever.
Notice for
Then
election.
again, another meeting resolution
Ma'am.
of all the same date,
Yes.
where petitioner is not there, but private respondent is there. How can it be?
That is why my record part has called for my. So,
No record of the resolution of the managing committee is required.
yes, yes.
Department, what will the department
Then
record
I have
show?
to- For the managing committee matter, I have to broken there.
So you produce the records?
Yes, I have to bring the same.
So tell me,
Madam.
by having one meeting,
Madam.
can you appoint two person?
Madam, no, so this is my what happened, madam. So far his appointment part is concerned as president, madam, there is no dispute, madam. But so for the appointment of the present, madam, response number 8 is concerned,
Ah.
madam. Meeting was convened in the year 2024, madam.
Then RTH shows 23.
Madam,
Or is there a typing mistake?
Typing,
Oh,
typing.
that is why I was surprised.
Yes, madam.
Same
was
meeting. No, but it says 23, come at page 34. It says 10-10-23. Not typing mistake, handwriting mistake over.
My lord, so for the top, my lord,
Photocopy of the original as at page 22 and 34. Both of them shows the date 10-10-2023.
my lord, page 31 may kindly take me. Page 31. Page 30, the top, my lord, fifth line, my lord. Letter number, my lord, date was 24/6/2024. It was issued on 24. my lord.
Will you produce the records?
Yes, madam.
These order first by based on the resolution dated earlier.
Just a minute. What
And
is your name?
affidavit,
MK Sharma.
Mr. M.K. Sharma, Lanet's counsel appearing for the school managing committee of
My lord, Jadavpur M school, my lord.
Jadavpur MEM School.
My lord.
Shall put bracket respondent number
6, 7 and 8.
6, respondent number 6, 7 and 8 shall produce the records of the managing committee.
my lord, I'm interfering, sorry, my lord. Kindly peruse page 49, affidavit file, opposition filed by the, my lord, managing committee, my lord, page 49. They are brought in record on that order, my lord.
This is only a photocopy or whatever. We want the original records. Thus shall produce the original records of the managing committee, which should contain the resolution of the meeting held on 10-10-23. Of the school managing committee by the next date. List again on so and so. When can you produce?
So for general meeting of 2024. 6/6/24. Connected to the notice dated 6/6/24.
And also the subsequent general
For
meeting.
this, one of the appointment, there is no dispute, right?
Produce the records, that's all. List again on 19-2026.
But interim order is not there, so 19th it will be so long, my lord. Out of 3 years already, almost 1 year is done, my lord. Can it be before then?
No, it cannot be.
Already.
Please produce so that we can dispose it off on that day.
Already.
15.
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, respondent number 3, we have filed our affidavit today itself, Lordship.
Ms. Chaudhary, Lanet Standing Council, BTC submits that respondent number 3 has filed affidavit in opposition today.
We have not received a copy.
Stop. Counsel for the petitioner submits that he has not received a copy. Ms. Chaudhary to furnish a copy of the affidavit to the learned counsel for the petitioner
By today itself.
during the course of the day. List the matter again on so and so.
Right.
Petitioner may file rejoinder affidavit in the meantime if so advised.
There is an interim order, Lordship, that will be
Interim order past LS shall continue till the next date of listing.
Lodged.
Item 16. Instruction.
Maybe pleases your lordship, we have received instruction, your lordship. Your lordship, we will need to file our affidavit, your lordship. Kindly grant us.
When can you file it?
Lordship,
You have received instructions. Why do you require 3 weeks?
lordship, today itself, your lordship. we
You are
have
very
received
busy. You've got so many cases.
Up to date one, your lordship.
Huh?
We have received it, your lordship. Kindly grant us 3 weeks' time, we will be filing our affidavit.
3 weeks' time is granted when instruction is not received. But when you have received instructions, why do you require 3 weeks? Huh?
Can be done in a week also, my lord, if the officers
His
are,
bill is there.
my lord, I have been summoned by the officer, my lord, I have been threatened. Now, my lord, I have not been paid my subsistence allowance from last, my lord, from 2013 till date, my lords, 13 years, long back, my lord.
We'll have a date.
My
Ms. P. Das, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department submits that she has received instructions and prays that she may be given 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition. Praise aloud. List again on. 10
No, my lord, can it be, my lord, on January? Not subsistence allowance, my lord.
Difficult, you see.
Person is ill, my lord, he needs some assistance.
Okay, on 5th.
Fifth. 5.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 18.
DPO.
Lordship, prayer for Passover.
Passover.
Yes, Lordship.
Counter affidavit not there?
It is there, ma'am. We
It
filed
is there. What is the matter?
Lordship, the maintainability of the writ petition itself is an issue, my lord. If your lordship kindly peruses the order dated 1912. It's a private university, my lord. Some disciplinary action has been taken against a student who admits that, my lord, he had kicked the national flag. Against that, they have come, my lord.
To resume classes, physiotherapy. You are for which party?
I am for the respondent number 5, my lord.
Downtown.
Downtown. It's a private university.
Besides maintainability, what do you say?
Besides maintainable.
What kind of reprimand have you given to them?
He's under suspension, my lord.
Suspension.
He's under-
Since when?
My lord.
Since when?
Since the date of the incident, my lord.
That is
The date would be,
26 January or 15 August
no, my lord, 15 August.
last year.
Last.
Instead of going on the maintainability, what would remain in merits?
We have to take some action against him, my lord. He was also arrested, but since he was a minor, he was
5
taken,
months.
he was presented before the juvenile board.
Anything was passed? Any order was passed?
No, my lord, that we are not aware, but he must be aware what is going on in that case.
I do not have any information, Lordship, because I don't have the file now.
Who's appearing? Mr. Sigdar?
Yes, sir.
You are assisting Mr. Sigdar?
Yes, Mr. Sigda. S.H. Sigda.
We'll have it after Bihu.
None.
We're short of time today. The counsel for the petitioner is said to be on legs in a different court. In view of above, let the matter be listed. On 10th.
All right.
My lord, earlier the lordship was pleased to issue the notice and all service copy has been, my lord, completed. But the affidavit has not been filed, my lord.
Your lordship, we have received one instruction which I would like to place it before.
Why don't you file it by way of an affidavit?
Lordship, here, your lordship, paragraph 3rd, your lordship denotes that in respect of the subject economy, to this effect, letter has been forwarded to secretary. That report is awaited, your lordship. So, your lordship, we need to obtain instruction from that communication letter dated 13/12/2025, which was issued, your lordship, to the secretary.
You obtain and file an affidavit there.
Since
My lord,
your
one
lordship
short
will-
date may be given, my lord.
No, your lordship, since secretary report is still not with us, your lordship, it is still awaited, your lordship.
My lord,
So make an
Again,
endeavor.
again, after your lordship, we need to take time, and thereafter, your lordship, the petitioner council will be shouted up upon us, your lordship. So your lordship, for the very first
My
time,
lord,
it is here, your lordship, but the secretary, your lordship, ASSB, that is the Seba board, your lordship. They have to appear, your lordship. Their secretary, Bamuni Moidan, the one communication has made, your lordship, that needed to be produced by the ASSEB, your lordship. So he may appear, your lordship, on the date, your
my
lordship.
lord, I with your all apology, my lord. I want to clarify, clarifying from my lord learned counsel other side. He said that a shouting, what does it mean, my lord?
Your lordship, on the very last occasion.
What does it mean, my lord? Is a procedure of the court, my lord? It is a way of the address to the court, my lord.
Your lordship, he
Is it
does
a way
this,
of
your
the
lordship.
address to
There
the
is
court, my lord?
There is a live streaming, your
My lord,
lordship.
my lord, it is a way of the court to the address, my lord.
And you hear your.
My lord, they should get my lord some lessons and regarding that how to address the court, my lord. My first humble submission before lordship.
It is
My lord, whatever may be there, it is already he has suffered lot. He has filed representation after representation. It has been already recommended for his my lord service provincialized. They are still waiting for instruction. There's some limit that they should come with the particular period. That within that period I should come, and government will sitting over the issue long after.
All right.
Your lordship, I would like to place it here.
At least there should be some limit, my lord. The junior advocate, my lord, why this type of things they are submitting before the court, and court how allow, my lord?
Mr. Counsel, I understand, you see. That's why all this shouting is going on now also.
There should be some limit, my lord.
Why are you giving me this paper?
Your lordship, the ASSEB.
This is addressed to the court. Is it addressed to the court?
Yes.
To court number 4, this letter is there for you and please adjourn the matter. It's like that.
No, your lordship.
This is meant for you.
Yes, your
Read it
lordship.
and read it and make your submission. This is what I don't approve of, you see. Some letters written to the standing counsel, government advocate or whoever.
I needed to obtain
You go through it and explain. See, this is what I've been instructed. This is my instruction. If the court says where, then you give me the copy. Straight away you're saying, take this. So if you're giving a letter, then what is the point of me sitting in the court? You can give in my chamber, I'll read in my chamber and pass the order.
Some time may be granted, your lordship, to
Say
obtain
that, say that, say that.
To obtain that.
You
your
say this,
lordship
you
report.
tell the court that this is the difficulty. I've been instructed because of so and so. Things could not materialize. I need some more time. Give me
Yes, your
time.
lordship, we need some more.
Then
time.
I may ask you, how are you saying that? You may say that this is my instruction. Then you give me, otherwise you don't straight away hand over like that copies. Because there are so many papers. How much papers can we read?
Yes, sir.
Please take it back. Then Ms. P. Das, learned counsel
Very
for the.
sorry, my lord. I am very much, my lord, disgusted with this, my lord, all the procedures, my lord.
All right. Ms. P. Das, learned standing counsel, Secondary Education Department, prays for further time to obtain instructions in the matter.
My lord, I prayed a short date, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, he is suffering lot.
Mr. P.
He all
Marshall,
other
learned
his
counsel
colleagues
for
have
the
been drawing
petition on the other
some
hand
salary.
submits that the petitioner is suffering and the short date may be given. In view of above, let the matter be listed again and so and so.
21. Master.
Lordship, we have sent the affidavit for vetting.
Lordship, kindly see the last order, my lord.
Paucity of time. That is the last order.
Lordship, I have sent the affidavit for vetting. Lordship, it will come tomorrow or
Okay.
within a week period.
You mean to say second last order?
My lord.
Although this court had observed that no further chance will be granted for filing opinion opposition, but Mr. Gogoi, learned counsel appearing for respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3, correct?
Lordship.
Submits that the affidavit has been sent for vetting and will be filed shortly. having regard to the submission, let the matter be listed again on so and so.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, I have been instructed, my lord, I have been, the petitioner has been posted, reinstated as headmaster, my lord.
You want to withdraw?
Close.
Close. Mr. M.R. Khandakar, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has instructions not to press the writ petition. In view of above, the writ petition stands disposed of as not pressed.
By order dated 3/1/26, the DO.
It's okay. So not pressed.
I'm the.
For hearing, item 26.
May please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, lordship, my senior part may be hard today, lordship. I have some difficulties. My brother will be here, lordship.
No.
Yes, I will take some time. It will take some, let me continue and then.
No, I don't want to listen part by part like that.
My
It
difficulty.
should be it should be heard.
My difficulty is that.
Both parties should be heard in one day.
Yeah.
I tend to forget.
Lordship, I have no objection. If lordship, my senior will have, my difficulty is that lordship, highly with my colleague lordship, his brother is expired lordship. That is the reason highly is also not with me lordship.
Who's supposed to appear? You or your
I
colleague?
will be here in this case lordship, but I will be in the chamber of the lordship Bapanla. And her brother is expired yesterday, day before yesterday. That is the reason lordship. And otherwise, his part will be continued lordship.
Only one thing may we submit, my lord. In this case, I have got list of dates and also I have got written argument in full. It's the lordship file, my lord. So there will be much difficult, along with in the written argument, even I've given the page mark, my lord. So that it becomes convenient for lordships in our absence, lordship may the read also. It becomes easier to
No,
get the
that will be helpful. No doubt it will be
Yes, yes.
helpful. But I would prefer that if both parties are there ready and both parties address the court on the same day.
My lord.
Then we have also filed an argument lordship.
Is it a very lengthy matter?
There's a lengthy matter. That's
Regarding what?
Departmental proceeding.
Proceeding.
And the person was removed from service pursuant to departmental proceeding.
You are against the removal of from
Yes,
service.
my lord. That's what.
Appeal was filed,
Appeal was
Rejected.
filed, but for number of years, nothing has happened, my lord. So
not rejected also.
not reject also pending. So in that lordship, we can take up this. That way, my
Take
lord.
time.
Okay, then this is regarding to Dibrugarh University.
Dibrugarh University. And my learned friend is representing Dibrugarh University.
We come to an agreed date, we'll have it.
February.
Is it a hearing date?
Thursday.
My lord, no, I cannot go. If the lordships feel convenient,
Alright.
fine. There's no doubt about it.
As paid for with the parties, list the matter on 12th of February 2026 for hearing.
Unluckily, what happened, madam, in this case? The client is unlucky, immaterial. Whether I get the judgment or my learned it goes against. It was argued and then unfortunately, 2 years kept reserved for judgment and then honorable court was transferred and then could not be
More
done.
than 2 years.
Anyway, I'm not on that. I'm not on that. I'm just saying the client.
So that is why
That's why.
when parties are ready, both are submitting on the same day, we'll see what can be done.
That's true. That's true. That's true.
My
lord, in item 31, I have made a mistake, my lord, because there is also another prayer to regarding my area salary, my lord. So can it be after vacation, my lord? Whether that has been paid or not, I have.
Why are you doing all these things, Mr. Khandakar?
My lord, I have forgotten, my lord, like this.
Item number?
Item number 31, my lord. I have been reinstated, but there is another pair of.
Cancel the order. Item 31. Mr. M.R. Khandakar, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that although the petition has been reinstated in service, but area salary has not been paid. Stop. He therefore submits that matter may be taken up for consideration on a convenient date.
No, my lord, I am for,
Mine-
I am for 29.
After
Give
vacation.
above. And list on 10th.
I'm
10th of February. And this is item number
Lord,
29.
I am here for the private respondent number 8, Milord. On the last occasion also, my friend on the behalf of the petitioner was not appearing. Milord. Today is also is not here. Milord.
29.
Hmm?
TCR one bundle. What is this TCR?
Trial code, Milord, this is
I
a
mean,
matter
yeah,
of.
that is trial court records, but for what?
No, Milord, this
In
is
a writ petition?
education tribunal matter, Milord.
Oh,
The
tribunal
education
matter. Okay,
tribunal.
that's why. All right.
Friend is not appearing, Milord. Senior friend S. Nath was
Who's the counsel?
Mr. S. Nath.
It's not. The other counsel was M. Nath. This is S. Nath.
Yes, Milord. Petitioner, Milord.
Now, what has the tribunal done?
Milord, tribunal has dismissed the petition of the writ petitioner, Milord.
Dismissed.
Dismissed, Milord. That is under challenge before my lordships, Milord.
And you are appearing for?
I am appearing for the private respondent number 8, Milord, whose
Okay.
service is required to be provincialized, Milord.
Not yet provincialized.
Not yet.
There's a stay order.
No stay order is there. But due to pendency of this litigation, perhaps the department is not proceeding, Milord.
How many times he has been absent? Not Mr. S. Nath.
Today is second time, Milord.
Okay, although Mr. A.R. Bhuya, learned counsel for the private respondent.
Milord, my friend is coming, Milord.
Oh,
It will be possible for the demand. Mr. Pekapukers will appear.
who?
This matter, Pekapukers will.
Mr. Prokastha.
Yes. He will be engaged by this week. So matter will be taken after review any date.
February.
Give a date. You are Mr.
That's not.
S. Nath.
Yes.
Please write, Mr. S. Nath, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that Mr. A.K. Prokastha will be conducting the case on behalf of the petitioner. And since he has some personal difficulty today, he prays that the matter be adjourned and be listed again on a convenient date. Stop, Mr. A. Bhuya, learned counsel appears for the private respondent. Who else appears?
Hearing from secondary department.
While Miss A. Tirangpi. H. Tirangpi, learned counsel appears for the secondary education department. Considering the prayer, let the matter be listed on 19 February 2026 for hearing.
Milord, may I pray, Milord, that pendency may not be a bar, as there is no stay order is operating for my provincialization.
His service has already been provincialized, man.
No.
Only, no, his service was provincialized. And only that
It's a,
salary
it's a
part was
short
not
date.
considered.
Will not make any observation at this stage. Next.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Okay.